Hi all, welcome back to our channel Smiles and Love with
Neha and Tejas.
How are you, my Puran Police?
And my Bende Dose gang.
Today's episode is extra special for you all because we are starting our series
The
MHK Radio Show. I'll be a radio jockey Neha from Maharashtra, Mumbai,
I'm Tejas from Mysore.
Karnataka, and that is the show's name, MHK Radio Show. You all would have seen us on our Instagram channel, Smiles and Postcards, and you all give a lot of love to this Puran Poli Dosa duo. And this YouTube series is specially for you all. So today's episode, the first episode, is the most asked question amongst the many most asked questions.
Jab we met.
How we met. So how we met goes back to the year 2019, and I was in my engineering 4th year,
And I was studying in my prime phase of academics, 2019. It's end of first year of my master's. I think that's where all focused, completing my master's.
Why you're saying all focused? तभी मैं आने के बाद focus हिल गया तुम्हारा?
And I'm just explaining the scenario. Nothing.
It's like telling specifically. I was very focused back then. This is the girl. If there is anything, इसने ही किया है.
You are the focus. Now just focus. It's still focus. The focus changed.
Okay. ठीक है. So yeah, it's 2019 and I'm in my engineering last year. I was applying for masters. I applied for many masters institutions and I got a call from Indian Institute of Science, ISC, which was in Bangalore. And it was an not admission call. Yeah, it was an interview call. So I applied for this course called Masters in Management, and it had like 2 levels of interviews. One was an personal interview, and then there was a group discussion. And they shortlist you based upon your GATE, CAT or GMAT marks. Mine was shortlisted using my GATE marks. So I get the email and I see, okay, I was mainly focusing to apply to masters in VLSI because I'm from EXTC background. So I wanted to do MTech. But one of my professor had also told me that, hey, you should check out this course and apply just in case. It was all about business analytics, data science, which was budding back in 2019.
The sexiest job of 21st century.
Oh
data
my
science.
god. And now it's all taken over by AI, but theek hai.
It's the same. Now we have merged into Gen AI. Yeah.
Then I get shortlisted for the interview process, and as a student, I was like, what is this about? So an old friend of mine, he gave me a few
Okay, I see.
He gave me few contacts. Like he searched ki ISC mein who's studying in this course, and he gave me few contacts, 3-4 names ki inko message karo and you will find out, like ask your questions about the course and everything. So 3 people in LinkedIn I messaged, and he was one of them, the one named Tejas Bhatt. There was another senior of us, Rahul Satyajit, I think. Yeah, like there were like couple of people that I messaged to, saying that, hey, hi, I'm Neha, and we'll put
10th of April, right?
Oh, this is 10th of April, just one day before his birthday. See, I'm like universe's gift to him.
I see. Okay.
We'll put the screenshot of the first message I sent him, saying that, hi, I'm Neha and I've got a shortlist call for ISC this course, and I would like to ask some questions if you don't mind. He did not mind at all.
I casually saw the message. I would have messaged anybody at that time. I see a message, looked genuine, and I kind of saw it, asked for what's the course. It is almost a year through my course, so I had something to share, and it was more on the academic lines, what to study, how's the course and stuff. So I thought it's my domain, I can speak. I just messaged her, and then the conversation began.
The thing is, no one else messaged me. I messaged 3 people, 3 to 4 people. No one replied, okay? He was the only guy who replied, and this is all happening on LinkedIn. No WhatsApp.
So kind to you back then also.
Oh. Nahin, okay, I will not say anything. But theek hai, so I got a message back, and it was a very formal conversation that we both had. Me asking so many questions, my god. My questions were never ending. I kept asking him, how's the course? I have engineering
which
background.
Which course to study, which book to take.
No, that was all after. This is
What's the Python? What is the level of Python I should
that
know?
was
Should
all
I study?
later. That was all later. First, I asked him, what happens in the interview? Like, I don't have business or BA background. I have engineering background.
You are asking as if I know every other course in IISc. You are
I was
asking
only
about the
asking
other
masters in management. It says business analytics, and it also had another specialization which was
technology management.
Technology management. So I was asking him what are the difference, what should one choose, and what do they teach in business analytics. There were courses like data mining, probability, statistics, a lot of marketing, HR. So I wanted to know a lot of details. I messaged. Okay. Yeah, so that message went through and we spoke. And then comes 22nd April. I actually go to give my interview. It was on 22nd April only.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's why I was asking so many questions. दिन बहुत कम है पढ़ाई करना है ना interview के लिए. So there was like a interview, a GD round, and on the same day I had 3 other interviews in ISC for my MTech also, VLSI, electronics, different thing. So I first went to the Masters in Management department, and I was standing there in a line where they get your documents checked and everything. And it felt like a complete Bollywood moment. Okay, I'm standing. And everyone was like, where's Tejas? Did Tejas not come? Where's Tejas? And everyone was like, Tejas. I actually had forgotten about the conversation I had with him, Tabi. But now I was like, wait, I remember this name. Is it the same person that I spoke to? Because I've LinkedIn में कितना ही photo दिखेगा ना at the end of the day. Also had a very uncle type.
मुझे uncle. How could you think it is?
I will show you the photo, guys, on the screen now. We'll put your photo, that exact photo, full uncle दिख रहा था वो.
I was 25 back then.
24.
You can't say uncle. How can I look uncle?
He was looking uncle. Please share the photo and tell us in comments that he looks like an uncle. See, I've made him much better, है ना? Okay. So coming back.
तुम्हारा भी before and after दिखाऊंगा ना?
मैं तो बच्ची थी यार. I was a 21-year-old kid.
Now you look so beautiful.
Okay, so wait, don't cut my Bollywood moment. I'm trying to create the moment for you guys. So I'm standing in the line, and there are many people, and wind is gushing, things are going here and there. I was like in front of a big wooden door, and hawa chal raha hai, and everyone butterflies नहीं आ रहा है अभी तक. So I was like, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं, where is Tejas? The teachers are asking for Tejas, and the staff there is asking, and the students are saying कि Tejas नहीं आया ऐसे वैसे. He did like a volunteer yesterday for the admission, so आज वो late आया ऐसा कुछ तो. I was like, okay, are they talking about the same Tejas or no? Whoever, I have to go back to studying. And then after some time, I suddenly look up. There is Tejas. He's wearing a white t-shirt, and he's coming towards me. I don't know beach mein kya hua, maybe I was busy with something. And he's coming towards me. He comes, stops, and says,
"Yeah, Neha, right?"
It's like, yeah, I'm Neha. And like, okay, and he's talking as though he knew me. Like, knew me as in he could recognize you're that girl who had messaged on LinkedIn.
There are only 3 girls, by the way. 3 of 4, 5.
नहीं, इंटरव्यू को बहुत सारे जन आते हैं.
Okay,
select उतने ही हुए थे. हाँ. So yeah,
and all the gush was only because I was speaking Kannada, and the admin guys were Kannadigas. So the only reason they were calling me my name.
Now he's playing it down. He was also the gold medalist of that year. Like, he is the topper, and that all I did not know. But itna bhav he is getting because he's also the gold medalist there for both the years.
Okay, let's move on.
So then he comes and says, "You're Neha, right?" And still at them like, yeah, I'm Neha. By the way, I have a question. So I have 2 interviews in another like another department. So I started asking questions right away then also. So there was no moment back like Tabi. He would have probably thought he kitna questions पूछती है लड़की. But I asked him कि मुझे interview है, can I go there and come back and give this interview and so on. And he just gave a general answer कि you can, like,
as if I knew about how much time it would take here, and is it okay for her to go to the other department meanwhile if her name gets called here. I had no idea, but still I had to play as if I know everything. I'm the senior there, so I said I thought I'll manage because I know the admin guys. So I said, okay, you go, you can come back in a couple of hours, we'll see what happens. And luckily everything went well, and I don't think there was a name called and she was not there.
No, so like I think I went for my other 2 interviews, and I came back around 4 o'clock. My interview in Masters in Management department was like last, and I met other seniors also.
Now the chai moment, no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I remember. So then, this is also a very funny moment, okay? So I came back, I gave my interview. By the time everything was done, it was 6 o'clock. I gave like 3 interviews, few written exams also. And then I went to the mess. And I go to a mess and met a friend there during the interview. We both had gone and she was sitting, I was sitting. I go take my plate, तभी snacks था, चाय सब लेके we
Mess.
sit.
It's a. I think it was rainy day also.
Yeah, somehow in April also it was raining in Bangalore back in 2019.
And it's Malleshwaram IISc area. It's very breezy and it's cool. You will have
Very beautiful.
It was 5:30 in the
It
evening.
was 6 o'clock.
Okay, so 5:30. It's cool. I just went for some tea or snacks, and I was zoned out. I was not looking at anything. I was alone and I was drinking chai and sitting at some corner. And there is this girl coming in. She was sitting at that corner. I saw her. I recognized it was Neha. But
He did not say hi or anything,
but
okay?
I was still zoned out after that. That's pretty much it. I mean, I did not have.
For me, I'll tell you how it looked like, okay? So I came in, I sat next to my friend, and this guy is looking in my direction. I don't know if he's looking at me. He's definitely looking at my direction, okay? So like, and he's sitting at the end of the mess. I'm sitting ekdam aage. So he's like this with his chai.
Facing
and he's
each
like,
other.
With the girl. No, I'm both of
You're
us.
facing me, I'm facing you.
He's facing me, but there's a lot of distance. So it's a chai player and he's looking. And he has like a very a poker face, not smiling, but he's just looking. So I was like, why is this guy staring at me? So I'm talking to this girl and I asked her also, वो लड़का देख रहा है ना? And she's like, हाँ देख रहा तो है. And
who is that ladki?
I
Another
forgot her name.
person from-
Pooja or someone.
Okay.
Like she got into aeronautics later in another IIT Bombay or somewhere else. So I thought, so he's actually staring blank zero. ये मुझको बहुत बाद में पता चला. But for me at that moment, he's looking at me and I'm like, okay, let's just have this. And of course, you feel some butterflies because why is a guy, why is this guy looking at me from long? Okay, nothing. So that moment was done. I went back to Mumbai and this happened in April. And then somewhere in May, I got the admission to Masters Management. I was so overwhelmed.
Did you message me after that?
Yeah, the day I remember it was 8th May. I got like the admission and I was so happy. I was happy for 2 reasons. A, you got into ISC. B, I don't have to give any other interviews again to any IITs. I had like lined up IIT Gandhinagar, Kharagpur. Oh, I don't want to go for any interviews. So I was very happy. And then I messaged him that, hey, I got the admission and I have a couple of questions. And I guess he replied saying, congratulations, so happy for you. I say, celebrate or something. And then I asked him, oh my god, so many questions. What book should I buy? What should I study? Should I do statistics?
The funny thing about my answering style back then was might and may. So you might want to, because I always felt that I should not force anyone to do anything. So I
asked him, hey, should I study statistics beforehand? He'll reply, yes, you might want to study statistics. Bro, is it a yes, no, should I, must, what? It's like you might want to do this. You may, not even may, might want to, like you might want to, all the words. I teased him a lot of time at him on this. Like my initial teasing to him was these words only. Oh, you might want to come out
you
with
want
me
to talk
today.
About teasing? Let's take it another.
Okay. So then I messaged him and then he told me, you should learn Python. And because this guy said, and my mom will agree here, I went and gave 8,000 rupees to a Python course, offline Python course. And I learned Python in June. And then I purchased this statistics books and everything that he said. All that he said might want to. It was our syllabus. Yes. So yeah, that was the time I asked him. I would have asked him more than 50 questions. I'm not guilty because I want to know masters. And it's a different domain also. It's not like you're going into engineering only. You're now shifting a little towards MBA management side. So I had a lot of questions.
This course even now is positioned as a techno managerial kind of a role. Until 2011, IISc offered it as an MBA. Yes. But given ISC is for pure science and MBA does not go with that image, they kind of changed it to reposition the same course as Master of Management. It's a master's degree and they offer both technology management and business analytics and they take about 17 to 18 students every year. So that's how.
If
And
you
it's a
want like a proper video on how to get into this course and details, we'll do another video on
comments
this.
down below.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
Yeah, we'll do it. So now comes the admission day, and I think it was late in July 2019. I went, we did our admission process, and I think the classes, before classes, I guess the seniors and all will give you,
Go ahead.
yeah, the seniors and all will give you some idea, and they'll have sessions with you. And he was not there in any session. I think he had his, I'd asked one of my friend Rohit, जिसकी शादी के लिए हम उदयपुर गए थे. So I'd asked him कि hey, where's Tej?
So you asked about me even before I came.
Yeah, I like, okay, where's this
Point
guy?
noted.
He came after 10-15 days, and I just casually asked, where are the seniors? Half seniors were missing because they were doing internship during that time. So he told me he's probably doing his internship. He'll come like late in August. And then I guess I did not meet him or talk to him or message, nothing. There was no contact until the freshers day. So seniors have to give us a freshers party, and they did a very nice job back then in the
Did you
freshers
guys?
party.
Oh, and we did not get any, what do you call, farewell
Are
party?
COVID, they passed out in peak COVID 2020 mein they passed out. Please, we did not even get a convocation. Let's not talk about that. ठीक है.
That's correct.
Day comes to the freshers party. That's the first time I saw him. I guess he had some shoes, come Myntra order. You were keeping it. I saw him do say grey sweatshirt. He had one, and
I remember those days.
yeah, and he had the Rudraksh ka mala, or the one that you wear during pujas.
Tulsi Mani.
Yeah, that. So I saw him from far, and he always had a wired headband, earband around his neck. So,
Thanks to my cousin who gifted me.
Okay, so yeah, so I saw him, and then we went to the freshers party, everything. Now we had an after freshers party. तभी I don't think हमने कुछ बात किया था. We were just like around talking to everyone.
Freshers party कहाँ था? We went to A to B.
A to B नहीं.
A to B नहीं, what is it? ABB. Absolute Barbecue.
Absolute Barbecue, yeah. And then after we came back in the classroom, there was an after party where you put in songs, dancing and everything. And then the first time he comes up to me, do you want to tell about that?
Yeah, the only question that I had, I of course wanted to talk because not necessarily because I wanted to meet you or talk to you or something like that. It was, I knew I was lacking that kind of thing. I was not going to people after 2017-18 time. I was
very reserved. He was very reserved.
I felt it's good to be away from people. It's be to the point and how much ever it's required. So I just wanted to change, given that I've completed my internship. I saw again the corporate world entering back after my Oracle time. So I wanted to talk to people. So I wanted to start conversation. I did not know how, but I knew her because she had messaged me. And first question, as expected, was, are you done with all your questions? Are you settled now?
Yeah, it's a dark room and we are having fun and everything. So this guy comes to me. It's like, hi Neha, are you done with your questions now? And I was like, oh, I'm so sorry if I've troubled you, because that was the first time I actually spoke to him after the entire process. So I was like, I'm so sorry if I troubled you with so many questions. I was like, no, not a problem. But are your all doubts solved? Thank God I did not ask him another question about anything. And I was like, yeah.
But still, this conversation went all the way till 4 a.m.
No. Matlab, he said hi that night, and then we had fun. We were dancing and everything. And then it was around time, like 11ish, 11:30. And when we had to leave, and then he asked me that, can I drop you to your hostel? So in IISc you'll have hostels, many hostels. So can I drop you till your hostel? He had a bullet, and I was like, sure. And the IISc is so huge, either you have to cycle around or walking to my hostel would probably take me half an hour.
2 kilometers.
Little more. We had like a underpass and all also.
Yeah.
It was like very far. At the end of the other corner, my hostel was there. I'm like, okay, yeah, let's go. And then he comes to drop me to my hostel, and then we start chit-chatting because so where you're from, and then we talk. He tells me he's from Mysore. Then we talk about cats, we talk about life. He was so much into philosophy. We went on and on till 4 a.m. 4:30. It was dark, And suddenly, when we were done talking, we did not realize how did the time go. I don't even remember what we spoke, but we spoke like general life things. Matlab, the sun was coming up, and like, oh, it's already birds are chirping and everything. So yeah, that's how we actually started talking.
Yeah. And then these conversations from in front of her college, it went
Front
to
of a hostel.
yeah, in front of our hostel. It moved to our favorite place in
Gymkhana.
Gymkhana. We used to sit, walk.
Okay, I'll tell you a funny conversation. Okay, on the day of the freshers night, 4:30, we were about to go, and then I told him that maybe you won't remember this conversation tomorrow morning. And I told him my nicknames back then, that it was Neha, Nivu, Nivedita, and you won't remember, tomorrow or day after. We did not have each other's number in a sense, we exchange or anything. So a day went by, and on the second day he messaged me, hi Neha,
How did I
Nivu,
message if I did not
Nivedita.
have your number?
Group tha na 2000, like the entire batch. So senior juniors will have a combined group. So on like after a day of the freshers, he messaged me saying, hi Neha, Nivu, Nivedita. And I was like, oh, you remembered. I was not expecting a message from him, because when I spoke to him, he was, I thought, very studious.
What I thought, I was studious.
Okay, he is studious and very reserved ऐसे, and I was very childish and I am still. तो मैं तो बहुत गड़बड़ कर रही थी इसके साथ, and I thought maybe थोड़ा पक गया होगा कि कितना बात करती है. But mind you all, this guy spoke majority of the time. ऐसे नहीं है कि I was speaking. He talks a lot. If you talk about philosophy and all, back then, तो 1-2 hours non-stop he was talking. So after like a two days, he messaged me, hi Neha, Nivedita. And I was like, oh, you remembered. And then we started talking on text essay. And then he asked me out, which he declines. So I get a message. Okay, I'm going to put the screenshot of this message here, and you all have to
So I was
tell
just
me.
asking for a
You all
person
have
who has
to
come
tell me
from
if it
Maharashtra.
if it is not asking out. So he messages me.
No,
Hi,
you had a
Neha.
conversation for.
Let me tell you.
We
No,
had a
first let
conversation
me
for
tell-
6 hours, right? We had a conversation for 6 hours, and then we were messaging. Then you were not from Karnataka, and I was in Bangalore for a much longer time during my Oracle, then 2 years masters and stuff. So I knew better this area. So I knew
Okay,
some
good.
good eateries and stuff. So
So
I
he
thought, okay,
messaged me.
your friends.
Wait, let me tell the message. He messaged me, hi Neha, would you like to try some South Indian food around? I can take you. Is this not asking out?
Not really.
Okay.
Asking
but
out,
honestly,
asking out is like
yeah,
with
honestly,
the intention. Here it was just like
he
a
wanted
guide,
a friend.
guide.
Really wanted a friend, I think.
That I wanted.
Yeah. So he said, do you want to see around? And I was up for it. I was like, do we get tomato onion uttappa? I want to try tomato onion uttappa.
I did not know what this tomato onion uttappa is.
Come on,
I knew
Chembur mein
uttappa.
I ate tomato onion uttappa. I like tomato onion
Either
uttappa.
there is onion uttappa, there is idli dosa, and you can try whatever is there. And I think we did not get tomato onion uttappa on that day.
Anyway, till now I've not eaten tomato onion
But
uttappa.
we had something in Veena stores. Then we went to CTR.
So he came to pick me up around 7 near my hostel, and then on his bullet, of course. And then he took me around the Malleshwaram area. We first went to the CTR store. It's very iconic in Bangalore, Malleshwaram area. We had a best dosa there. First time I ate a benne dosa. Then he took me to Veena stores, which is also very famous.
Idli.
Idli.
Without no garlic, no onion chutneys and stuff.
It's good. Then we went to eat Holige. That was my first time I ate Holige. That was also nice. And then we were walking around the Malleshwaram area. That was the first time we went out, and honestly, I enjoyed his company. And he would
I
have
did enjoy her company as well. It was good roaming around
and we should talk a lot. And then
she
eventually,
cuts me, she keeps, and she says I talked a lot. That
yeah,
time,
because
but
I'll tell you. So
she
then we
doesn't even
started.
allow me to talk.
Then we started talking, and then we started actually going to the Gymkhana. And Gymkhana is like a very, it also is a very big cricket ground, and there you'll have stays, like a very nice college vibe aise. We would sit on the steps, and this guy would bore me for hours talking about philosophy, but me would listen very patiently to all his.
अभी भी वही करना है. That is what
अभी मैं नहीं सुनती. We'll start with philosophy, but okay.
I gave you 4 philosophies. Do you remember?
His 4 Quora post. Oh my god. So yeah, that's how we started talking, and I don't think either of us was looking for a relationship at that point, but he was definitely not looking for a relationship, and I was going through some tough time in my own life. So our both friendship actually,
And my philosophy helped there, no?
and our and his
I
philosophy.
now remember why that philosophy came. So because you were expressing your lives and your things rough patch, then I thought, okay, I have to comfort. The only way I know comfort is give some rational.
No. He first started talking from things from 2015, 16, 17 and telling all about, okay, whatever. Don't take
How is
पंगा
that
with me.
related to
That's how you
philosophy?
started telling me about philosophy. Like why you got into philosophy was
Now we
based
both
upon
don't
his
remember who
own.
started what when.
I remember very well.
No,
by
no,
his
we'll
own
just-
life experience or whatever he had. So yeah, and that's how we became friends and very good friends, best friends. I would call him Macha all the time. I would call him Macha this, Macha that.
Macha.
Not Macha. And he would also call me Macha. So we were each other's like very friends kind of thing. Macha. We would talk to each other.
Rowdy baby.
Rowdy
We
baby.
have to talk about Rowdy baby as well.
That's for another video. But that's how we met, guys. ISC, Indian Institute of Science, was our LinkedIn, and Indian Institute of Science was something that got us together, and we became friends, best friends, and then lovers eventually. But
And then couple. Partners, life partners.
Oh, and then
Eventually,
we got
life
married.
partners.
Yeah. On today's episode of MH into K, this is about how we met each other.
We're gonna continue speaking about what happened then until we got married.
And after marriage also. Hope you all like this video and tell us in comments what next would we want to share our stories about, what you all want to hear. Till then,
Bye bye. Signing off.
bye bye. This is Joki Neha and this is
Jockey Tejas
Signing
signing
off.
off. Bye
Cut.
bye.